Today I'm doing something super interesting. I'm converting a small preset into a rotary potentiometer. Yes, you heard that right. Let's start. First, I'm taking an old rotary potentiometer. Now carefully removing the preset from the board. Next, I take a small piece of metal like this. Then I fix the head of the preset to the rotary knob, just like this. Before applying glue, always test it once to make sure it's working properly. Now apply glue very carefully. Remember, don't let the glue go into the rotating part. If glue enters inside, the knob won't rotate smoothly. After it dries, check it again. Perfect. Now take 3 wires and connect them to the preset. Connect the other ends of the wires back to the circuit board. All right. Time to test. Connect the input supply. Now check the output voltage using a multimeter. Rotate the knob anti-clockwise. Voltage goes down. Rotate clockwise. Voltage goes up. And boom, it's working perfectly. This simple modification makes your preset much easier to adjust. If you like this idea, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next project.